If you're looking to make sure your teeth are super clean, you want to check out the DenTek Fresh Clean 75 pack flossers. So they're little flossers. I use them every night and every day. They're small, they're pretty sturdy. So I'm not gonna floss my teeth on the video, but I don't think you want to see that. But yeah, they're really good. I like them. I like also has here, you know, sort of point. So if maybe you have something stuck, you can, you know, clean it out like that. But it's pretty sturdy. Some I've used different flossers throughout my life, and some they break, like you use them and then they're just like stuck in your teeth. But these, they're pretty good. I have yet to have one break, so which is good. So yeah, so sometimes, you know, you use them and then this will the string will just like snap off. So but these don't. These are pretty good. So they're 75 in a package, and yeah, they last me quite a while. So if you, I mean, you know, because they're 75, so it's about a couple months worth. You know, give or take, depends on how many times you use it a day. Maybe use it once a day, lasts 2 months. To use it twice a day, maybe a month and a little bit, so a month and a half or something. So yeah, so hope this was helpful and hope you check them out.